What up, peeps? It's your boy Radekal Epic. You already know. Today we come for break down one of the hottest phrases them with our Jamaica right now. I run the place and I see a bunch of my friends been and ask say, yo, what that mean? What this mean?
Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah. So I see a bunch of people been and post it and a bunch of other people been and ask, yo, what that mean? Where everybody I say, Nawmal A Lie, Nawmal A Lie. What I talk about? You see me? So I come for tell you know what them I talk about. You see me? So yeah, man. What does Nawmal A Lie really and truly mean? You see me? What it mean? Why people are use it? But basically it's a simple term, you know, it have a, what would I say you know, it have a invisible comma after the normal. And it have a silent question mark after the a lie. You see me? Because you say to them, this normal, comma, a lie, question mark. It's like you say to them, the thing you're doing is normal to you. And you ask them if I lie. You see me, sir? That it means. So imagine you're a girl and you get dressed and hot and ready to touch your road now. And you just look on your friend and you say to your friend, may I happen though, girl? And your friend say, yeah, girl. And you say, Nawmal A Lie. It normal for me look so good. A lie. You see me, so that really are the basic side. You see me, make me give chop of them an example also. Imagine you're going to a bank with your bridging and you draw 50k. Boom bang, you take it out, your bridging look by you just look back by your bridging and say, Nawmal A Lie. You see me? Nawmal A Lie. Cause a regular something for you draw 50k in a bank, so that and truly, that really and truly it mean it's something you do normal, it's something you do regularly. So you just say, Nawmal A Lie. You see me? So it's not a hard term, it's actually a good slang that's popped up now. It's just how Jamaican people stay them dash out the comma and the question mark. So then just say Nawmal A Lie. Then I say it with no space or nothing. Then they say Nawmal A Lie, which them should say Nawmal A Lie. You see me? That would make more people understand it better, but that's what it is. You see me? It's just a simple phrase. Yeah, man. So you're welcome for the explanation. You see me now? Go out forth into the world and use it and understand it when you hear it. Yeah, man, you know, it's been a boy Radekal Epic. Bless up on yourself. Welcome to the Epicflows channel. Welcome to the Epicflows channel. You see me? If this is your first time, remember to hit that subscribe button. You see me? Remember to like, drop in a comment if me explain it to you. Go down, understand it now and can do the thing. You see me? Tell a friend, make a friend, tell a friend. You see me? And more want to know, drop in a comment what I next Jamaican slang war already place one war. Me explain to you so I can make you know what go on with it. You see me? Yeah, man. So bless up on yourself. I'm out.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows production.
Radekal Epic.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah!
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.